Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how social media can be a helpful tool for students in their studies. When we think of social media, we often associate it with distraction, procrastination or just a way to waste time. However, social media can actually be used to enhance your learning and academic success. So let's take a look at some of the ways that social media can help you in your studies. First is join study groups and communities. One of the most significant benefits of social media for students is the ability to connect and collaborate with others. Social media allows you to join study groups, academic communities, and decision forums related to your subject matter. This can help you share knowledge, study resources, notes, and ask questions to clarify doubts. You can also learn from other students' perspectives and get feedback on your work. Second is access to educational content. Social media can also be an excellent source of educational content. You can find videos, podcasts, blog articles, and online courses on various social media platforms that provide you with an opportunity to learn and grow in your field of study. Some platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn offer channels, pages, and groups dedicated to education and learning. Third is follow influencers and experts in your field. Social media is a fantastic way to keep up to date with the latest search, industry trends, and expert opinions in your field. You can follow researchers, professors, professionals, and thought leaders in your industry and learn from their work, experiences, and insights. You can also participate in online events, webinars, and discussion hosted by these influencers to get inspired and motivated to succeed. Last but not the least, fourth is study apps and tools. Finally, there are numerous study apps and tools available on social media platforms that can help you streamline your study habits, productive and time management. There are flashcard apps, quiz app, note-taking app, Pomodoro apps that can help you stay organized, focused and motivated to achieve your academic goals. So there you have it. Social media can be a valuable tool for students when used wisely. It can help you connect, learn, collaborate and succeed in your academic journey. If you have any tips or suggestions for how to use social media to help with your studies, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.